to start day 3 of Art Loeb Trail. We got 15 miles left today. Most of it's downhill though, so we starting down here at the Deep Gap shelter, which is behind me. Head up to Black Balsam, then on to Camp Daniel Boone over there at CDB. Got Big back over brushing them teeth, staying fresh for his wife. Hunter down, getting some water. Really not much water between Deep Gap and Ivestor Gap, so we want to make sure we have plenty of it. Stinks because we got a 4-mile hill, or 4 miles of climbing out of the Deep Gap still, so all that good old extra weight. Thank you guys for coming along, and we'll see you on the trail. It's a tough little climb coming up out of Deep Gap. Sure is pretty up here though. I think we're almost up to the parkway. Ain't got much further. It's been nice to get this out and the hard part out of the way in the morning versus the end of the day like yesterday. So I'm gonna keep on going. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you get a chance, come out and check this out. It's a rough one though. I don't say that often, but this one's rough. See you guys soon. Hi guys, we made it up to the parkway. When you get up here, go up the hill a little ways to pick up the trail. It's about 1,200 feet elevation gain from Deep Gap, and we got just a little bit more to go. Hi guys, we made it up here to Black Balsam. Finally, all the fun's over with. Trying out my new buff. Haven't hiked with it yet. Gonna see if it works out in this heat. Keeps me from getting sunburnt. You can tell the views behind us is amazing. Dave keeps trying to hide from the camera. I'm gonna try chasing him down here. Let's see if he walks that way. We'll walk that way with him. There he is. I found him. Now we're having a good time. About 10:30. Got a few miles in this morning. Heading all the way to Camp Daniel Boone today. So 15 miler. We got the hard part out of the way, and now's the rest of it's a little walk in the park. See you guys. You want to come back next weekend, Hunter? Yeah, we'll do it the easy way next weekend. Up here on the Narrows, right before Cold Mountain, between Cold Mountain and Ivestor Gap. It's been a heck of a trip so far. It's been fun. Definitely challenging. put this camera away, but so I don't fall off the side of this mountain. Hunter finally made it. The two old men broke them, wore them out. He loves them Walmart shoes. He'll never hike in them again. Say, hey, Hunter.
He's here.
He did a good job. We did 16.3 miles today. He did good. Hey, get your shoes. All right, guys. We're finally down here at Camp Daniel Boone. Did about 16.3 miles today. I think it was 3,200 feet ascent and around 4,600 descent. Man, that's Art Loeb's a rough trail. It's a rewarding river behind me though, but man, it's just rough. A lot of elevation. The trail's not smooth anywhere. You're always fighting rocks and boulders in the trail, so it's just rough on you, but it was good. I'd recommend somebody doing it in 3 to 4 days, not 2 days and 2 hours like we did. Take your time, do 3 to 4 days, and you should be all right. Plan your water out because the water is scarce on that trail. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos we make. See you then.